What's up guys, Globus Gates here, and we're installing the ALUGlobus paneling. On this install we have already pillars that are made. They painted it black. So we're putting our aluminum channels. We have another post here. And we're gonna start sliding our composite. Here you go. Is getting the setup for the sizes for the composite. We're going with black composite this time and black aluminum. ALUGlobus, maintenance free. No painting, no chipping, no cracking, and you have the wood look. We have a tiny surprise today. The style is going to include some gray paneling, which will be silky smooth, guys. So, all right. So he's doing some testing, some calculations of design. So what we got all these panels across. On the next day, we're gonna make the sliding gate here, also from the same material, ALUGlobus. And then down here, what we have, we're working on lining up and getting some posts for our ALUGlobus fencing as well. There's our cable. Wire. And we love our neighbors, but we are not interested seeing them. So we're going from this crap, unsecured, ugly, value, zero value, no privacy, to a full privacy design with value, with beautiful looks, modern wood look with zero maintenance. Check it out, ALUGlobus, Globus Gates. We can install the next day and guaranteeing the best price in the market for aluminum composite fences. Check it out.